All right, today we're doing a door glass for a 2020 Dodge Charger. This glass is actually laminated, so it has the two pieces. And I'll show you how to get this done within 10-20 minutes at most. All right, first thing you need to do is remove this trim. To remove it, there's two screws. There's one right here, and there's another one here in the front. Just peel over the plastic piece, and there's another one in here. Once you remove those two, you simply pull this up. All right, if it's stuck, just use a plastic spatula. Just gently lift it. And then just pull it out. That's where the screw goes, is right there, and also on this side. All right, so now just use your plastic tool. We sell these online. So this groove goes into the teeth. There's two of them. So you just stick this in there. It's like a plastic piece. It just opens it and you roll the window down. Let me do it one more time. You want it a little bit higher so you can see it. So once this pops it open, I don't know if the video is able to see it. Just take it down so it's still popped open, and the window should pop right out. And same thing on this side. And out it goes. So I'll raise it so you're able to see it. So this plastic piece pretty much goes in here. And when it opens, the window, you roll it down and the window comes out. Same thing on this side. So this should be halfway rolled down. When you pop it, just lift the window up, comes right off. All right, so here's our new glass. So all I do is roll the window all the way down. Glass goes in at an angle. Then when you straighten it, just make sure it goes into the groove. Okay, so raise the window back up until you feel it touch the glass, and then you just snap it in place. You'll hear the snap. Up and down. So what's left is just to put the cover piece back in place, and you are all done. Then I'll just put the screws back. One goes here, another one goes over there, and that's done. I don't think that was even 10 minutes. All right, so again, it's a 2020 Dodge Charger, laminated glass, door, front replacement. Please click like and subscribe. I'll get you some more good videos. Thank you.